Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix no edit option on Facebook post. Our first solution is we need to update our Facebook app. So open your Play Store and search here Facebook. If you see any update available, then you want to download the update and then go to your Facebook and check the problem if fixed or not. Our second solution is we need to clear cache and all files for Facebook app. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on App Management, open Facebook, tap on Storage Usage, Clear Cache, and tap on Clear Data. And after finishing this process, you will need to re-log in into your Facebook account. So log in into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. Our third solution is we need to download an older version for Facebook, but before that you will need to uninstall your current Facebook app. So uninstall the app and go to your browser and search here old version of Facebook and open this first link. From this list you can download any older version. Just tap on the version name and tap on download and your Facebook will be downloaded. You'll need to install and log in into your account, then check the problem if fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.